Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can undo actions on Figma really quickly. So let us get started. Head over to design on Figma and let me go with that design here, resembling that image here. So just for the sake of this tutorial, let me add a couple of edits and changes to that design. Let me resize that image, rotate it, move it, and so on and so forth. So if you'd like to undo these actions, guys, because you accidentally did them and I would like to go back in time with these changes and edits, you may simply use option number 1 and option number 2. Option number 1 would be to simply left click into your main menu in the top left corner here on that Figma icon, under edit here, and use the undo feature here. Click into it and that is going to undo the most recent action. Alternatively, guys, the easier option would be to use the shortcut Ctrl Z on your keyboard and to do this as often as needed to go back in time with your changes and edits. There you go. Press Ctrl Z, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how you undo actions on Figma. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.